Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to our booth in InfoComm 24. And our company, this is Jenny, and we from China. Our company name is Shenzhen Friday Original Technology Company. And our products is for tabletop display. It's a digital display with LCD screen used for video image, advertising, menu display, and phone charging. It's the content changed by remotely through Wi-Fi connection, cloud server, and it's battery powered, so it also have a charge phone function. So it's widely used in restaurant, hotel, coffee shop, hotel, bars, lounges, banks, and different kinds of events. This is a very innovative design, and, and it's very unique, and it's both sides with LCD screen, and we also have others with different configuration. So you can, if you like, please contact us. Our website is www.scfyd.net. Thanks very much.